First, component of ecosystem. In the component of ecosystem, biotic, abiotic. And in the biotic, you know that the flora and fauna, how many flora on the earth surface? 3 lakh. And India, how much? 47,000. And how many fauna? And how many in India? Yes. And thereafter I said, in the abiotic community, and abiotic community में there is what we have seen, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. लेकिन इसके अलावा हम लोग ने क्या देखा? फिजिकल, ऑर्गेनिक एंड फिजिकल में क्या देखा? लाइट, फ्रॉस्ट, टेम्परेचर. एंड हाई टेम्परेचर इससे क्या होता है? प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक कोगुलेशन एंड द डेथ. याद होगा. हाई इंटेंसिटी, लो इंटेंसिटी लाइट, एंड देन रेड एंड ब्लू, एंड देन आई टॉक्ड अबाउट, यस टेल मी, ultraviolet. Understood? Then I talked about frost. May I said that soil frost, less water, and then I said that intercellular space water crystallize, and then under may be crystallize, and then salt concentration increases. याद है? Thereafter I talked about light, frost, high temperature. High temperature causes, yes, tell me, complete. High temperature से क्या होगा? Yes, tell me. What will happen to the high temperature? Protoplasmic coagulation. Finished. बंदा क्या हो गया? Plant finished. And then I said that which one? Then some organic, some inorganic. Thereafter I talked about classification of ecosystem. In the classification, I said natural ecosystem and artificial. In natural ecosystem, we have seen what is it? Terrestrial and aquatic. And the terrestrial में forest, grassland, deserts and all, and this way water also, aquatic also. After that we have seen CC is okay, component and classification. Now we have seen functions of ecology. In the functions of ecology, yes, food chain, food web, nutrient cycle, energy flow, matter cycle. Yes, tell me, ecological succession. एंड इन इकोलॉजिकल सक्सेशन यहां तक तो देख चुका था ना. उसके बाद सेकंड पार्ट में हम लोगों ने यहां से स्टार्ट किया था इकोलॉजिकल सक्सेशन. यस, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी. इन द सेकेंडरी व्हाट वी हैव सीन? ऑटोजेनिक एंड देन एलोजेनिक. देयर आफ्टर वी हैव सीन इकोटोन. एंड व्हाट आर द टू इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रांजिशन जोन है इसमें? वी हैव सीन जोन ऑफ टेंशन एंड एज इफेक्ट. देयर आफ्टर वी हैव सीन यस होम्योस्टैसिस. एंड देन होम्योस्टैसिस इन अ स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ stable equilibrium between external environment and understood. And that is there. I said that we are doing sweating and urination and all, and these are the what is in a kind of it regulation में which are the two important regulations? Thermo and osmo regulations. And then we have seen most of the are not able to do. It is known as what? Not most of them are what is it? Not able to do. And how many species? 99%. And then conformers हमेशा कहां पे रहते हैं? सेम टेम्परेचर कंडीशन में. एंड देन वी हैव सीन सम माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स, हाइबरनेशन फॉर पोलार बियर, एंड वी हैव सीन एस्टिवेशन फॉर सम फिशेस एंड स्नेल्स इनटू द व्हाट इज न स्लोइंग डाउन देयर मेटाबॉलिज्म. एंड देन वी हैव सीन सम काइंड ऑफ, आई सेड दैट यस, व्हिच वन? डायपॉज ऑफ सम जू प्लैंक्टन इफ दे आर नॉट हैविंग व्हाट अवेलेबल फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स एंड ऑल. देयर आफ्टर वी कैम फॉर यस प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इकोलॉजी, एडेप्टेशन, वेरिएशन, speciation, and then I say mutation, natural selection and evolution. Is it okay? Now we'll see one word is there, symbiosis. What is there? Sorry. symbiotic relation. I said that what I say? It is an interaction between. It is a what? Interaction. What is the symbiosis? It is an interaction between two different organisms of two different species. Interaction between two different organisms of two different species. Symbiosis is an interaction between two different organisms of two different species. Clear? So only interaction. In the mutualism case, when the two different organisms and two different species are what is interacting, then both are getting profit with each other during the interaction. Like if I say that, yes, have you seen buffalo? Yes, buffalo को आप देखोगे कि buffalo is having so many, what is in a different kind of, what is in a leech and all. तो वो अपना हाथ को ऐसे करके हटा तो नहीं सकता. Then who will come? Crow will come, and then crow will eat. He will get the food, and he will get what is the relief from those leeches. Understood? Similarly, coral polyps needs food. Then algae comes. Who comes? So algae and corals. So algae needs shelter to stay somewhere. So the algae comes and sit on corals. So he has got the shelter, but algae makes food for corals. So both are benefiting. So this relationship is known as symbiotic relationship is known as mutualism. And in the case of commensalism, one is benefiting but other is unharmed. No harm. One is getting benefit but other is, I said that, unharmed. Understood? Like I've said that in the evergreen forest there is, I said that in was in South America and all, see that the trees are very what? High, and there is a high canopy. Very thin trees, stems, trunks are very thin, and I said that lower some kind of ferns, shrubs and all, they are not able to get the sunlight. Therefore what happens? And sunlight. But it is not harming trees. So he is able to get benefit by taking the sunlight, but without harming trees. So this is in a which relationship? Commensalism. And parasitism is in a kind of relationship in which I said that one is benefiting and other is harmed. Other is harmed. One is benefiting, another is, I said, harmed. Getting my point? I said in your stomach, tapeworm, different kind of worms are there. So whatever you are eating, who is eating? Important nutrients, he will start eating it. And your growth will, he is growing, but our growth is what? Reducing. कभी बचपन में आपने सुना होगा that the kids are not growing, there is an account. So I said that, which kind of, I said that? Parasitism. Understood? So which are the, we have seen? Mutualism, commensalism, and which one? Parasitism. Next one I said, amensalism. One is unaffected, other is harmed. Amensalism, I said that one is unaffected, other is harmed. I said that, you know that from a particular, what is an animal species, antibiotics removes and this antibiotics goes into the other bodies, and that body has been what is in a destructed, but इसको क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ. It is in a relationship of what? One is unaffected, but it is harm the other. So I said that it is an amensalism. Like similarly, virus को नहीं लेते, लेकिन virus क्या करता है? He is entered the other cells and then started destruction. Understood? Itself unaffected, other is harmed. Getting my point? So which are the symbiotic relationship? Tell me first. Mutualism, commensalism, parasitism and amensalism. Completely okay in your mind? Yes. Next point that we are going to see, bioaccumulation and bioconcentration. Biomagnification. Bioaccumulation. I said you know that the mercury from the mines comes over there into the ocean water, and this mercury has been reacted with this other chemicals and hydrocarbons, it becomes methyl mercury. What it become? And this methyl mercury has been eaten by, I said that, a small chemical, and this is again I said that, let me tell you, it is a non-degradable. Which pollutant it is? It will not degrade in our body, yes or not? This methyl mercury, it is taken by zooplankton, then it is this, and how much it goes? Suppose 0.1 gram, sorry I said that 0.1 ही लिख दो, 0.1 gram per centimeter cube. Suppose decimeter cube लिख देता हूँ, centimeter cube ही सही है. 0.1 gram and such kind of has been decimeter लिखता हूँ मैं. And such kind of what is zooplanktons are eaten by 20 by the small fishes. So 20 into 0.1, it will become what? So 20 it is eaten by one small fish. So small fish में कितना आ गया? 2 gram. How much it can? इसको थोड़ा सा और छोटा बना देता हूँ मैं. How much it can? How much it has? 2 gram. और ऐसे छोटे small fishes कितने हैं? 5 suppose, and these 5 are eaten by what is it? Little bigger fish. इसके body में कितना आ गया? Just tell me. Just tell me. 10 gram. How much it is? So this is the fish number 1, then fish number 2, and thereafter the fish number 3. So concentration of non-degradable, concentration of non-degradable, again I said concentration of non-degradable chemical pollutant in one species. In one species is known as bioaccumulation. What is known as? इसमें कितना है? 10 gram bioaccumulated, and in this one how much? In this biological, what is an animal में कितना हो गया? 2 gram. There is a 0.2 gram, sorry 0.1. So this is what? These are what? Tell me first. Bioaccumulation. Bioaccumulation. But in this food chain, what is happening? What is happening? Yes, tell me. Yes. So food chain कौन बात कर रहा है? Biomagnification और bioaccumulation? Bioaccumulation is what is in only one single species में what would be the what is the concentration of chemical pollutant? तो इसमें कितना है इस species में? चाहे किसी भी species को उठाया तो इसने कितना लिया था? 2 gram. He has also 2 gram. He has also 2 gram. So ये species में we are knowing that it has 2 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram. So the 2 gram is what? Bioaccumulation. But these are 5 eaten by another big fishes. It become what is in a 10 gram concentration because it is in a non-degradable. So I said that it will remain